Have motorcycles come in and do the rest because they're sponsoring them, okay? So this one goes to Danny Blanco.
Never seen one like that.
All right, so here we go. This goes out, best of show, KingAak, number 106.
Oh, this was it?
106.
Yeah!
There you go.
Wait a minute. It turned off. Picture.
Next up is Motorcycles Choice 102, Ray Green.
Oh. Highrollaz.
He got the two-tone version. No, he got the hard. Okay. I got the India. Yeah. You had to have a meeting without that one. I like that. I appreciate it.
You? Yeah.
Yo, could you film us?
Yeah, I got you. Is this on?
Next up, Marisol Acevedo, Routine Shot 108.